cache file in the CapCut PC. So if your CapCut PC start to lag, or maybe you are running slow on your edits, you can solve that problem by clearing the cache file. So here what you need to do is open your CapCut PC and go to settings, and here tap on settings again, and these settings will pop up, and you can see under the draft tab there will be this cache size. So to clear the cache file, you can just click on the trash icon and now click on OK. So you don't need to worry by clearing the cache. You don't it won't affect the projects that you are currently have. So you can just remove or clear the cache files with ease. After it's done, just click on save, and hopefully by doing that your CapCut PC will running smoothly. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.